Alrighty, hosses, welcome back, and in this video I am going to show you how to get the Whois of a website domain. Now, if you don't know what Whois is kind of weird to say, but this is a tool that gives you information about who registered a domain name. So if you just write any domain name, the top level domain, thenewboston.com, so make sure that you don't add HTTP or www or anything like that. And remember, we got this in a previous tutorial, like the second one or whatever. You can run this tool and it shows you info about who registered the name, who they registered it through, and if you didn't choose domain name privacy, then it's also going to give you information like their phone number, their address, their full name, a bunch of like personal information. So another thing I want to point out, whenever you're making a website and you buy a domain name, you register a domain name, there's going to be an option that says, do you want to buy domain name privacy? Now, it's going to be like 10 bucks or something a year, but it's worth it because if you don't, all of your personal information is going to be out for the public to see. So make sure that you choose domain name privacy, and well, there you go. So for this, let me just make a new, and what am I going to name it? Whois. Just keep it real simple. Whois.py. So this is going to be, just like before. What we're going to do is we're going to call a function called get whois, and we're going to pass in the URL. And remember, this is going to be the top level domain name, and the command, show you guys. Now remember, the format of the command is just the word whois, a space, and then the top level domain name. So for this, Whois, make sure you add a space after there, and then the URL, which is going to be like thenewboston.com, Amazon.com, whatever. It's like hard to think of just the domain name. Weird. Alright, so the process for this equals os pop in, aka process open, and command. And now we want to, whenever we run this command, we just want to get, did I not import OS? That's embarrassing. We just need to convert this to a string, so results equals string process.read, and from here we just return the results. Alright, and that's all there is to it. So this is actually probably the easiest tool that we made yet, and just so we can verify that this bad boy works, if we just write print get whois thenewboston.com. So run this and check it out. Alright, so this is all the information about my domain, who registered it, who I registered it through, and let's do another run real quick. Let's do Reddit. I love Reddit. I'm addicted to it. Alright, so there you go. Who registered this, their names, phone number, yada yada, tomato tomato, lots of sweet information. So let me tidy that up a bit, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you build a Whois scanner in Python. Don't know what we're going to be covering in the next video, but it's going to be sweet. I'll see you then.